Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. All right, there is one more. It seems, out of at least from what I can find. Ah, I'm just trying to fall. No. One more, and this is the only one. Oh, it was in an original box. And it's the Vic-20, the friendly computer. Bought from EATON'S at some point. For $399.95. When? I don't know. All right. So I liked it when it was boxes better than this. But anyway, let's see if we can get the sleeve off and get things separated without dropping anything. It does say up, so I'm inclined to believe that maybe this is up. Oh, what it is. All right, so styrofoam down. It has a power adapter, and it has a cable. So it's been in there a long time because the styrofoam stuck to it. And it has an RF modulator. Alright, and it has, more importantly, a Vic-20. Boy, it looks pretty fine. Oh, let's just get this all down. Oh, it is not perfect. Oh, it looks like there's been some sort of tape on there or something. I don't know. But it looks pretty white. It does. Made in Canada. It's got a little sticker on the back. C-1022. What does that mean? I don't know. Could be a school thing. Oh dear. Could be a something. Oh dear. Well, the power switch was a little stiff, and I'm not sure if now it isn't broken. But that's, things happen. So it's a two-prong one, and I know I have a two-prong thing here that's working. So I'm going to make sure it thinks it's off. And put in the two-prong thing. Does the light come on? It does. But the switch feels a little strange. So I will put in the video, and I will baffle this strange switch. Come on, strange switch. And we have applied power. And it does seem to live. It does. So that's good. Well, it's dusty. I think there was some masking tape on here or something, because there is some yellowing, but it's kind of not uniform, and it looks like perhaps there was some sort of tape on here. Oh, I know what we can do. We can test the keyboard. Now, it's not as bright as others. It is not. But the keyboard seems okay. Let's find a nice graphic character. There. That's a nice graphic character to have print over and over and over. So, let's get ourselves a vintage punch card. Vic-20 was in box with power supply, our F, not E, plus cable. I do much better typing. I get ahead of myself. Power switch, difficult. But computer works. Keyboard, okay. A bit discolored. Perhaps tape residue on on front. Yep. LED works. Oh, 2 prong 9-volt. All right, looking good. All right, I'm gonna fight this thing on. Well, it's funny, it goes off really easily. It has a hard time going back on. And I don't really want to turn it on and off a whole bunch. But let's just see if a cartridge will work. It is tough to switch. And there's a Mega Ray. Now it is quite dim compared to some of the others, but we'll see what we can do when we open this up. So we'll take the paddles, plug them into the one joystick port. You can never screw up on the Vic-20 on the joystick port. Okay, that seems to be working quite nicely. I'll just blow that sucker away, cruise down here, fire some shots, fire some more shots, miss the main guy, the fast-moving guy who scares us. Missed again, missed again. Oh, got him. That one. This one's going to go ballistic now. I know it is. Oh, dear. Here it comes. It's going to get hatched. It's going to get launched as soon as I get into that position. Oh, I got it. Oh, I wish the sound was working. The sound makes it so much better. Oh, yeah, this is really working well in here. It's funny how the different machines, even though they're the same... Oh, I'm dead. Even though they're the same machine, can have... Oh, no. The controls can be not so good. This one is rock solid. Oh dear. Oh dear. And I'm dead. Okay, we're still alive. Get out of the way. 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 Okay, here comes the weenie. Here comes the weenie. Got him. Get the mine. Didn't get the mine. Got the mine. Okay. And I'm dead. Okay, but it's working well. So that is a good sign. Maybe. Yes, it's under here. Alrighty. 2.9 volt. Works very well with Omega race paddles. Very accurate. Which is weird because you think if there's something wrong with something in the machine, that, you know, I don't know. Maybe it's just connectors dirty. Maybe it's also loose connections on there. I don't know. But overall, pretty fine. Now, I'm going to be brave. See, I'm going to shut this off. This I will put somewhere. I don't have a way to really test that now. But this is a beautiful thing. It's an original Nortel. Wow. An original power supply for an original Vic-20, which are rare. Okay, so I gotta find the plug here. I always thought I would always be set up. I was not short plugs. Why is this giving me a hard time? Why? It should not. It should not be giving me a hard time. But yet it is. Alright. I'm going to unplug this that I think is the power supply that I've been using in the Vic-20. Looks okay. I'll try this here. Goes in fine. Okay. So this cable has been in that box a long time because there is indeed styrofoam stuck upon the cable. So I will pull this out and hope that this works and does not cause any damage. I should, of course, check it. And this is how I will check it. Ooh, I will fight the switch on. And Omega Race comes up. It does. Boy, this power supply is remarkably clean. Remarkably lovely. Alright. I almost seem to miss that coming through. Oh no. I pressed too long and I died. I hit the mine. Gotta shoot quick. That's the one thing about this. If you hold the fire button too long, you move. And I may not want to be moving. You might not want to be. I'm dead. Alright, did I get the mine? Not. Yes, I did. Okay, we'll clear out a bunch of that. Here comes the beast. Nope. Didn't get it. Didn't get it. Gonna die. Gonna die. Oh no, I got it. Oh no, don't. Okay. Now I'm sure that the best way to play this to get the most points is to not to try and kill all these guys, but to wait until they go ballistic. Death. Game over. Okay, so this power supply seems to be fine, and oh my word, look at that, it's clean, it's mean, it looks like it just came out of the box, and it did that. It's a little dirty on the bottom, but I guess it's been, oh, I don't know, sitting on a carpet or sitting on somewhere or sitting on something, but Anyway, lovely, 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 lovely. All right, more notes. Power supply works. Looks good. Um, yeah, pretty okay. This. All right, I'm gonna turn it off. Ta-da! And I suppose I will ponder my next move, but I suppose I should look inside just so I can make more notes. I should. I guess I should. I guess I will. Anyway, see you again next time. Bye for now.